Hi, and welcome back to Park Superior Sales. Today, let's take a look at this beautiful coach behind me, a 2021 Cadillac XT5 Platinum Coach Phoenix Hearse. Nice traditional setup on this Hearse we have behind me. Nice black colorway, silver pinstripe all along the vehicle. Got a full black vinyl tuxedo top. You do got your chrome crown band as well, but we could start up front here. You do have your 18-inch painted OEM Cadillac wheels, as well as your flag mount and staffs that come equipped with the vehicle. The vehicle is pre-wired for strobes, so we could add those strobes at the time of purchase if you so wish. But this is a front-wheel drive chassis, super low miles on this XT5, something to mention at this 2021. But you can see you got that B and C chrome pillars, matches so well up with that chrome crown pillar there, and then crown band, sorry. And you do have that silver pinstriping. Really goes well with that and makes it pop with the wheels. But let's take a look into door number 2 here on the passenger side. You do got a nice black door card here with your gray Cadillac embroidery. Black drapes, really nice. Complements this vehicle really well. Chrome nameplate brackets, have you come to know. You got your platinum step pad here. Does wonders for keeping that door sill in immaculate condition when you're taking in and out that church truck. But you do have an open church truck well here. Stand that church truck up, lie it down if you so wish. Makes it super versatile for funeral directors like yourself, whatever which way you want to store that church truck. Up front, you do got your umbrella storage compartment, which is great. And as you can see, it's an elegance casket flooring here. Really, really nice. 2 stationary beer pins up front. Beautiful partition wall there with your Cadillac logoing. Really, really nice. Complements the black on black super well. Coach light, flowing Landau panels, that Landau bars, as you know from Platinum. But we'll move around to the rear load door, which is really the money shot here. Load door, you got your 3-piece stainless kit here. Complements that B&C and chrome crown band. Open the rear load door. That black drapes and black rear load door here with some nice platinum embroidery. Beautiful interior casket compartment we have here. As I mentioned, 10 rollers, Alicante floor, 2 lighting fixtures on the right and left-hand side, 6 LED lighting fixtures all along your roof headliner, which is a gray headliner. Complements the black and gray really well here. You do got on your right-hand side, a quick adjustable release beer pin stored on the right-hand side here. Really easy to get at, but something to mention with this vehicle, does have a manual extend-a-sill pull on this and extends on out. Does wonders for keeping this rear bumper in immaculate condition over the lifetime you own the vehicle. You're gonna have many days of getting that church truck up to the back here, loading up that casket and exiting that casket. This just makes sure you don't do any damage to that rear bumper. Really nice to have instead of a bumper carpet protector, and it extends a little further out. Shuts right on in, and it's very flush and fluid, but you do also have your rear bumperettes here to do also some help with that church truck loading up to the back here. Something to mention as well, this vehicle being a 2021 Cadillac XT5 Platinum Phoenix, you do got your manual Urn Valet right here. With cremations on the rise, really important to get that coach rolling a few more times a month, especially with cremations very big in the funeral industry. This will very much accommodate any size urn that might be on the market that you might be accommodating for a service. Just turn the screws and it's going to stay right there, and it can go even wider. Heaven forbid you might be doing a service. This will also accommodate a baby size casket as well. But these fold right on down and they stay right inside this Urn Valet, which is really nice, so you're never having to search for them and they're never going to be lost on you. But super nice 10 rollers, 2 stationary beer pins at the front, as I mentioned. Really nice, it makes this casket compartment glow with these LED lighting, and it just does a really nice complementary to the vehicle's colors, the black on black and the black and gray here. Really, really nice. We'll shut this rear load door. Load door stainless, as I mentioned. Backup camera, backup sensors as well, and those rear bumperettes has everything you might wish as you might need for your funeral home. Moving around to the driver's side. As I mentioned, the B&C chrome and that chrome crown band. You do have a flip-up lid on this side. Flip-up lid is where your compact spare and tool and jacket will be stored. So it's going to be stored right there. Everything you need. Just switch out your spare. The flip-up lid makes it just easier to get that tire in and out of here, so you're not having to fight with it to get it in and out. Folds right on down. As you can see, the Alicante floor is in immaculate shape. As I mentioned, this vehicle has very low miles. Just took it in on trade. Vehicle was bought from us brand new. They just traded up to a new vehicle. We wanted to get it online and show you first, so that's why we're doing this demo here. Inside the driver compartment, you do got a black leather wrap steering wheel, black leather seats, power seats as well. You do have heated seats as well. Bose surround sound, touchscreen infotainment system. You got your wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, FM, AM, Bluetooth, Sirius Satellite Radio. All the options you could want integrated into that touchscreen infotainment system. Engage the vehicle in reverse. The backup camera will come right up on that screen so you can check your surroundings when moving a beautiful coach like this around. Really nice features to have. Volume control, cruise adaptation control as well on that steering wheel, making it a great hands-free driving experience. Paddle shifters as well, and you do have some vehicle gap adjustments as well for driving on the highway. If you'd like some more information about this vehicle, maybe get some pricing, please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008. Or you can check out 80+ photos of this particular vehicle, a walk around, and this demo that you're viewing right now at www.parksuperior.com. Thanks, and we'll check you in the next one.